You have been doing such a great job with handwriting, and I've really noticed in your work that you are really practicing the letters that we have practiced so far together. Today, I thought that we would go outside. So we're actually at the pool at my apartment complex to learn our next set of letters. So make sure that you have your crayon, your dry erase crayon, and your dry erase marker so that you're ready to go. Okay, so today we're going to start out with the letter I. Again, the letter I is a really easy word to do. We're going to start in the sky, and we're going to draw a straight line down to the ground. Then you're going to draw a line across the sky and a line across the bottom. Now you try. Straight line from the sky to the ground, a line across the top, a line across the bottom. Let's try that a couple more times just so that we know what we're doing. Okay? And that's the capital I. Now for the lowercase I is simple also. You're going to start at the fence and you're going to go down to the ground and draw a circle. Now with a pencil, it's not enough just to put the little line. You might need to actually draw a little circle, okay? So from the fence to the ground, draw a dot. Fence to the ground, draw a dot. Fence to the ground, draw a dot. Okay, and that's the lowercase I. Now we're going to go to J. A capital J starts in the sky and makes kind of an upside down candy cane with a line across the top, okay? So start in the sky, draw an upside down candy cane, line across the top. Make sure, as you can see, my candy cane touches the bottom line. That's very important. The candy cane touches the bottom line. Let's try that a couple more times. Starting at the top, touching the bottom. Okay? Now for the lowercase j. The lowercase j is one of those special letters that digs underneath the ground. So we're going to start at the fence, and we're going to make our upside down candy cane that goes under the ground and digs. And then you have a dot. Starting at the fence, going down, making the upside down candy cane, and then the dot. Again, let's do that a couple more times, just so you kind of get the hang of it. Okay, you're going to start on in the sky, go all the way to the ground. Then you're going to start over a little bit, but we're going to go from the sky to the fence, and we're going to connect with our line that we just made. Then we're going to go from the fence to the ground, making a K. So this is almost like our less than symbol connected to a straight line. Okay? So start in the sky, down to the ground, start in the sky to the fence, fence to the ground. Do that a couple more times on your board with your crayon, making a capital K. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make a lowercase k. So we start in the sky and make a straight line to the ground. Now we're going to make this same kind of arrowhead, but it starts at the fence and goes to the ground. So it's about half as big as the capital K. Okay, so straight line, starting at the fence, make your little arrow. Straight line, starting at the fence, make your arrow. Start in the sky, make your arrow at the fence. Okay? Now we're going to do the L. And the L starts in the sky, goes down to the ground, and has a leg. One leg. Try it with me. Start in the sky, go down to the ground, one leg. Let's do that a couple of times, making perfect L's. Okay, now the lowercase l, it doesn't get any easier than this. Start in the sky, go down to the ground, just one line. That's all the lowercase l is. Starting in the sky, down to the ground, straight, nice, and pretty. Okay, so today we learned I, J, K, and L. You're going to go back to your seat and you're going to practice that at your desk until the end of this center. And make sure that you are really paying attention to your handwriting on every single assignment, every time you write. I'll see you next week.